60 days per prescription. You will see there is no dollar limit over here. So the doctors can prescribe any medication they feel suitable for the customer, for the student, okay? Paramedical services, 500 per incident per service. So chiropractor, massage therapist, some other services, paramedical services, every time the service is required, the limit is $500, but there is per services limit, okay? Emergency dental, $4,000 due to accidents and $600 for pain relief. And then air ambulance also available, ambulance services $10,000 per incident, air ambulance, air transportation $250,000 per incident, maternity benefit $15,000, one physical exam, one eye exam, okay? And then there are so many other benefits. I just want to mention about one benefit which is called transportation to bedside. So what happens, some of you have been, in our life, sometimes, we were like international students in some other country, but sometimes you know some people who go to some other country just to study. Most of these students who go to another country for studies or come to Canada for studies, just for their studies, they don't have very close relatives over there, They may have, but most of them, they don't have very close relatives. So sometimes what happens, if they are injured, if they are seriously sick, the doctor wants them to be, with someone close to them. And if they don't have anyone, they want to ask someone to come fly to Canada. The company will provide $5,000 to bring their family member in Canada and stay with Canada, with him in Canada or her in Canada. Okay, so that's $5,000, which will cover their round trip airfare and their stay here in Canada. That is the full limit for that. Okay, so it's a good benefit.
How long they can stay?
Depending, there is no limitation in the policy, there is no limitation, so, but the expenses are 5,000, whatever the doctor requires. If the doctor requires them to stay here for 2 months, they can stay if they have the visa or if they have the availability for that. If the student does not require any more, someone to take care, they have to leave or they can continue with their own expenses.